So, for starters, what do you think? Well, in many ways, this question is a bit unfair because this book is all about that. But what do you think psychoanalysis, particularly Lacanian psychoanalysis, has to say our current social reality pertaining to conspiracies?
Yeah. So I think psychoanalysis has a lot to say about social reality in general today because it's a very timeless study. One of the main critiques from people like Deleuze-Guattari, Jacques Derrida, was that psychoanalysis was what's known as trans-historical, which means that it doesn't pertain to like what it studies and its knowledge apparatus to a single time period. It says that no, this what it has found as the truth is is not just relative to that time period. It extends to, I would say the entirety of human history, and that's why we have various people like Lacan talking about the story of Antigone from Sophocles and Hamlet, Shakespeare. Lacan talking about Hamlet from Shakespeare. So I would say that psychoanalysis is transhistorical. For many people, it's a huge no-no. You can't do that, right? You're very relative, and so I think that's the first thing. Psychoanalysis is transhistorical and it's openly transhistorical. We believe that the unconscious has been here since the beginning. Now, I have different views regarding why now. We can get into that later, but the unconscious has been here since the beginning. And I would say that when people tend to hear a statement like that since the beginning, since human history, it's very grand. It's a very grandiose theory, and grandiose theories are out of style in academia today. And style in academia today is theories that pertain to what is going on now and what does this just matter for now. But psychoanalysis is all about grandiose theories, trying to explain large social phenomenon. That's why I think it's perfect for conspiracy, because conspiracies are also transhistorical. Conspiracies have existed since the beginning of time, various ways that they've shaped and manifested, but they've what I outline as the I guess the structure of conspiracy, which I can go into, is the same for now and all time, at least from all the conspiracies I've looked at, and I've looked at a ton. So yeah.
Yeah, that's well put because obviously the content is going to change, but then the form itself, it seems rather, as you said, transhistorical. Although,
No.
To read it in a Hegelian way, one could argue that the form affects the content too, right? So, anyways,
Yes.
I don't
Yes,
want
that too. Yeah.